In the first video, we have seen first three passages of the story An Astrologer's Day. Now, see the remaining passages. Passage number 4, page number 4, the first paragraph. In this passage, we are told about how the astrologer used to tell the person about his life. He used to charge 3 paise per question. He gave patient hearing to his client. He would wait for at least 10 minutes for others to speak. This provided him enough material for prediction. In prediction, he used to say some common sentences like number 1 sentence, in many ways, you are not getting the fullest results of your efforts. Number 2 sentence, he used to say in his prediction is that, is there any woman in your family, maybe even a distant relative, who is not well disposed towards you? The third common sentence he used to say in his prediction is that, most of your troubles are due to your nature. You have an impetuous nature and a rough exterior. This made him likable to their hearts immediately. Passage number 5, page number 4, second half. In this passage, we are told that when almost all lamps are gone off and the astrologer was putting his equipments back into his bag, he saw a man standing before him. Sensing him a possible client, the astrologer pressed his invitation. The stranger also challenged the astrologer to tell him something worthwhile. After some argument, it was decided that the stranger would give the astrologer 8 annas, and if the astrologer failed to satisfy the stranger, the astrologer would give twice him back. Passage number 6, page number 5. In this passage, we are told that when the other man lit a cigar, the astrologer caught a glimpse of his face by the match light. The astrologer felt very uncomfortable. He began to bundle up his equipments, but the other man asked the astrologer he must tell him if he would succeed in his present search or not. Otherwise, he must surrender all his coins. The astrologer agreed, provided that the stranger would give him a rupee if he satisfied the stranger. The astrologer told the other man that once he had been stabbed. Passage number 7, page number 6, first half. In this passage, the astrologer further said that the other man was pushed into a well nearby in the field. He was left for dead. The other man said that he would have been dead if some passerby had not chanced to peep into the well. The other man said that he wanted to get at the man who stabbed him, but the astrologer told that that man died 4 months ago in a far off town. The other man, astonished, as the astrologer called him as Guru Nayak. The astrologer asked the other man to go home and never leave home again, as there is once again a great danger to his life. On hearing that the man he wanted to punish died under a lorry, the other man looked satisfied. Passage number 8, page number 6, second half. In this passage, we are told that the stranger gave the astrologer a handful of coins and went into the night. Nearly at midnight, the astrologer went home. His wife asked him where he had been so late. On seeing 12.5 annas, she became overjoyed. The last passage of the story, page number 7. In this passage, we are told that when the astrologer came to know that the man whom he killed is alive, he felt that he was relieved of his guilt. So, the day was special for him and he could have a peaceful sleep. Thank you.